Today we are going to create or generate a QR code so that we can use in our teaching process. So let's go to Chrome and simply type QR code maker. Then in my part, this is what I usually use. So click that one. Then of course, create a QR code. Click that. Then you are going to choose what type of file or style that you want to be or you want to have in your QR code. So in my part, I save or I took photo, picture of my charts, printed materials. So of course, images ang i-click ko. Then, upload the image. So click. Then add. Then name the file or the gallery. February 1987, so that is the file name I choose. It's because we are having a timeline. Then next, so you can design your QR code, you can have your own pattern frame, but in my part I did not. I want to have a simple QR code, so create. Then there you have your QR code. Simply click that and download. Either download as JPEG or PNG. So let's have JPEG, then download. So it is downloaded. Then open natin. There, so this will be the QR code that you are going to present to your learners. So when they're going to scan that using their mobile Android phones, the topic or the content topic that you want them to study will be come out. Okay, thank you. Okay, this time it is going to scan that QR code. So using the QR code scanner, then let's scan, then open link. Then there you have it. Ito na yung lalabas yung files or images na nilagay natin. So thank you.